Running a campaign without a clue what a user will see. Sooner or later, this will cause epic fail. At least check how a web push ad looks like. You can do it here. For those who want to take one step further, reverse engineer the user experience and understand the user flow. Not splitting by mobile and desktop. User experience on mobile and desktop is different. Therefore, by running the same campaign with the same creative on both mobile and desktop is not the best approach. A little disclaimer here though, if you target all devices on the same campaign, you can definitely split them in the reporting. This will give you some information, but best way would be to run separate campaigns for various devices. Running mobile web push campaigns at the wrong time. Don't send a mobile push notification in the middle of the night during working days when people sleep. Also, there could be a situation when a user doesn't want anyone to see what's shown on his screen. Some creatives, the landing pages contain such images. A user would love to check it out, but the timing is so wrong.